This is a 2010 Chevy Malibu, the 2.4 liter, and this is how you change the battery. You got your case here, you got one clip here, and then one clip down there. Pull up the battery box, and then there's the battery down here. These are 10 millimeters. You want to crank those loose. You don't got to get it super loose. Get that off there. And then get your positive. Make sure on your new one that you can see right on the battery the date that it is. When you put it right on top, otherwise later they don't put them on here good to see. Well, you can kind of see what it is on this one, but I don't see a date on there. So then you should be able to just pull. Oh, and then yeah, you got your stupid block right there. So there's the new one. Yeah, you're gonna have to take that off in order to pull it out and replace it.